Post-construction termite treatment under finished floors can be done without ripping out flooring by using targeted, non-destructive access and treatment methods. Treating termites beneath finished flooring starts with a careful inspection and mapping of active galleries using moisture meters, acoustic detectors, and visual signs such as frass or soft spots. When active infestation is confirmed, drill discrete access holes in baseboards, closets, or toe kicks rather than through visible floor surfaces, keeping holes small and aligned with trim lines to hide repairs. For longer treatment runs, use subsurface rodding through expansion joints or along seams. The rod moves a liquid termiticide below the slab or subfloor, where it disperses and contacts foraging termites. So, insert rods at an angle that follows expected gallery directions and pull back slowly while injecting. In thresholds and doorways, remove the threshold or drill through the threshold edge and inject directly beneath it to reach voids under finished flooring where termites often enter. Always use a product labeled for post-construction use and follow label rates and dwell times, and after treatment pressure flush or use cellulose baits where appropriate to draw termites out for monitoring. Finally, repair access points by patching with matching trim or filler, sanding, and refinishing so the repair is visually seamless and does not reduce the resale appeal of the floor. Homeowners commonly try to treat without proper diagnosis and waste time on ineffective over-the-counter sprays, so start with professional-level detection tools and confirm activity before drilling. Some people make large visible holes through floorboards that are hard to repair, so plan access at hidden trim lines and inside closets to minimize visibility and use small diameter bits. Others fail to follow label instructions for termiticides or use incorrect application pressures, which can leave gaps in coverage, so measure volumes, maintain steady injection rates, and document the treated lines for follow-up. We built bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who perform non-destructive post-construction termite work and floor repairs. On our site, we host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask about product choices, and share photos so we can all learn from real jobs.